Hi, in this demo I'll show you how to add Spectrum Protect Plus to an already deployed vCenter server instance or Cloud Foundation instance inside of the IBM Cloud. Spectrum Protect Plus will provide backup, recovery, and replication on the IBM Cloud infrastructure for either the vCenter or Cloud Foundation instances. First of all, go to your deployed instance page inside of the IBM Cloud and click on the deployed instance you have already created. So in this case, it's a Cloud Foundation instance. Here you'll see the properties, the access information, and the deployment history for this vCenter server. Click on the Services tab, and this will load any services associated with this instance. Right now there's an HCX and IBM Cloud service installed. So if we want to add a new service, click Add Services. Scroll down until you see IBM Spectrum Protect Plus on IBM Cloud and click Select Service. Now you can scroll further down and you'll see the configuration entries needed in order to configure the IBM Spectrum Protect Plus vSnap. This is where we will actually store the data that we're backing up. So you need to choose the number of storage volumes, the storage size per volume, and the storage performance. For sizing help, check out the Spectrum Protect Plus Solution Architecture document, which is out on the IBM Architecture site, and it'll give you specifics about how to size the vSnap storage. Now you'll need to choose whether you want to order the license from the IBM Cloud portal or whether you want to bring your own IBM Spectrum Protect license. We're going to go ahead and bring our own, so click on Add Files. Select the file that has your Spectrum Protect Plus licenses in it. Spectrum Protect Plus is minimally configured to back up the core management virtual machine in your environment. So you will need to reserve 5 Spectrum Protect Plus licenses for those VMs, and you'll have to set aside 1,500 gigabytes of space. Go ahead and click Next. This will take you to the summary page, and it shows what you just set up for the Spectrum Protect server. Up in the right-hand corner, you will see that we are calculating the costs for this licenses. You can go ahead and click on the estimate cost, and that'll pop open a PDF which shows you the monthly estimated cost. Because you brought your own license for Spectrum Protect Plus, you're not charged for that. However, you still do need to pay for the virtual machine that Spectrum Protect is deployed on, as well as the storage that the vSnap resides on. If you're satisfied with the setup and the cost, you can then go ahead and click Place Order. You'll see in the top right-hand corner that it's verifying the infrastructure and processing the request. Once the request to install the new IBM Spectrum Protect Plus service has been accepted, it will switch over to the instance, and you will see the Spectrum Protect Plus on the cloud service appear. Below that, you will see that it is currently installing. The size of your Spectrum Protect Plus server will dictate how long it takes to install. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to an instance that already has it installed so we can show you how to get into the console. From this server instance, we're going to click on Services. You'll see the IBM Spectrum Protect Plus service. It has been installed. If we go ahead and click on View Details, this will show us details about Spectrum Protect Plus, including the current version, the IP address, the host name, and the administrator name. If we go ahead and click on View IBM Spectrum Protect Plus Console, that will start the Spectrum Protect Plus console where you can log in with your Spectrum Protect Plus administrator and password. You can ignore this message about adding storage to the vSnap repository. That has already been done for you. Spectrum Protect Plus is minimally configured to back up the core management virtual machines in your environment. So you will see when you first logged on to Spectrum Protect that you have 5 protected VMs. The other unprotected VMs would be virtual machines that are in the environment that you added the Spectrum Protect Plus service to. You can protect those VMs by going through the Spectrum Protect Plus process of creating a backup job for them. If the number of protected VMs shows up as 0 along with the size of storage, don't worry. As soon as the inventory job automatically runs, those will be filled in. If you go into Job Monitoring and click on the VMware Bronze, which is going to be the default job for those 5 machines, you'll see that here we have backed up successfully those 5 virtual machines. If you drill down into the actual backups, you can see the names of those 5 machines. Here we have the 2 up first, the ADNS ones. If we scroll down, you'll see the other 3 VMs that are associated automatically, and they too are with the bronze service level agreement. So in summary, IBM Spectrum Protect Plus can be added on as a service to IBM Cloud vCenter servers or VMware Cloud Foundation offerings deployed in the IBM Cloud. IBM Spectrum Protect Plus offering provides backup, recovery, and replication to the IBM Cloud infrastructure. Thank you.